Another area that people find a real challenge is talking about death and dying. And death is the only certainty in life, yet as humans we often find it incredibly difficult to talk about. And it's often much more scary when we avoid it and don't discuss our needs and wishes. And really the only time that we have control over this area of our life is preparing for it in advance. So think about your own wishes around death, dying and funeral arrangements. Give yourself some space and time to either think about this alone or with your loved one first. When you feel ready, try to be open and honest about the needs and to talk things through. Focus on the positive reasons for the conversation of wanting to have some control and to have your wishes met. Family and loved ones are likely to respond much better to this type of approach. Take time to write things down. Think about where and when you would have these conversations rather than just springing them into a family gathering out of the blue. It may be easier to have brief conversations on a one-to-one or a small group basis with separate parts of your family or friends before bringing them together. And remember that some members will find it much harder than others, and some might be completely avoidant of the subject. And just remember that that's okay, because as long as you've shared your wishes with the rest of your loved ones, those that can cope with it more and are less avoidant will take the reins, even if there are one or two members who cannot manage these conversations.